In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change password in Pinterest. To begin, open your usual web browser on your computer or phone. In the search bar at the top, type the word Pinterest, then press enter. You should see search results showing the official Pinterest website near the top. The correct result normally shows the Pinterest logo, a red circle with a white letter P inside it, and the address that starts with www.pinterest.com. Take a moment to confirm that logo and address so you know you are going to the real site. Once you see that official Pinterest result, click the correct link and sign in. The link opens the Pinterest homepage, and you should see options to log in or sign up. Click the button that says Log In. Enter your email address and your current password carefully, then click Log In again. If your details are correct, the page will reload and you should now see your Pinterest home feed with different pins and your profile picture at the top. Now that you are signed in, look toward the top right corner and click your profile photo. This is usually a small circle, and if you never set a photo, it might just show a colored background with a letter. The moment you click it, Pinterest will take you to a page that shows a bigger version of your profile and your boards. On this page, click your profile photo again. This second click opens the detailed profile area where you can change settings related to your account. From here, click Edit Profile. You will usually find this button near your name and profile picture. When you click it, a new panel or page opens with several options like your display name, username, and bio. You might notice tabs or sections at the top of this area, and one of them relates to your account settings. Seeing these options confirms that you are in the right place to work on your password. Next up, click Account Management. This section focuses on security and ownership of your account. When you open it, you will see settings related to your email, account changes, and your password. If you scroll a little, you should notice a row that clearly labels password, usually with a button next to it that you can use to update it. At this point, click the Change button next to password. A small window or panel appears asking for your current password and your new password. This keeps someone else from changing it without knowing the old one. Make sure you can still remember the new password easily, but avoid simple words that others could guess. Finally, add the new password, then click Save. Type your current password in the first field, then enter your new password in the next field. Many people like to mix letters, numbers, and symbols for extra safety. Pinterest may show a strength indicator so you can see how secure it looks. After you type it twice, click the Save button. The panel will close, and your account now uses the new password. You have just changed your Pinterest password through the website, keeping your account safer for future logins. If this helped you lock down your Pinterest account, a quick thumbs up really helps others find it, and feel free to subscribe for more simple guides.